Okay, Herbies, just put together a cough formula that has wild cherry bark, mullein, cramp bark, licorice, lobelia, and marshmallow root in it. But I have my wild cherry bark, my mullein, my cramp bark, which actually is from a snowball tree. If you're familiar with that, it's the green stuff between the wood and the bark. And then licorice root. That is in here. Licorice root is really good for bronchitis and asthma. I talked about mallow, marshmallow, and mallow. This is a mallow root. But also, this is what mallow that's wild looks like. And then it has a pink flower. This shows a purplish flower, but ours is pink. And then these are the little, they're the seeds, but we call them Cheez-Its. But that is in this formula. So people can't get rid of coughs. Here we go. Cough formula. I appreciate all of you and appreciate my Heavenly Father and Jesus Christ for leading me in this direction to help others. It's my journey.